Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how Cash App stock market investing works. Cash App makes it easy for anyone to start investing in the stock market. It allows you to buy stocks with as little as $1 and offers features like fractional shares, recurring investments, and stock gifting. You don't need a separate account or extensive financial knowledge to get started. To begin, open the Cash App on your phone. From the home screen, tap on your cash balance. In the menu, look for the Investing option, which is usually represented by a small stock market icon. Tap it, and this will take you to the Investing section of the app. On this screen, you'll see an overview of your current investments if you have any. If this is your first time, it will show options to browse and search for stocks. At the top of the screen, there's a search bar. This is where you can type in the name or ticker symbol of the stock you want to invest in. When the stock appears, tap on it. You'll see detailed information about the company, such as its current stock price, performance over different time frames, and any relevant news. To buy the stock, tap on the Buy button. You can choose the amount you want to invest. Cash App allows you to purchase fractional shares, so even if a stock is expensive, you can still invest as little as $1. After selecting the amount, you can set it as a one-time purchase or schedule it to repeat daily, weekly, or bi-weekly. Once you confirm your purchase, Cash App may ask for a PIN or Face ID for security. After that, the stock will be added to your portfolio. You'll also receive an email confirming the purchase. Selling stocks is just as simple. Go to your portfolio by tapping the Investing icon, then select the stock you want to sell. Tap on the Sell button and choose the amount you'd like to sell. Similar to buying, Cash App will confirm the transaction, and you'll receive the proceeds in your Cash App balance shortly after. Cash App also supports recurring investments, which is a great way to build your portfolio consistently over time. To set up recurring investments, select a stock, tap Buy, and choose the recurring option. You can decide how often you want the purchase to happen, such as weekly or bi-weekly. Another feature of Cash App is the ability to gift stocks to others. You can do this by selecting a stock and tapping the Gift option. Enter the recipient's Cash App username or phone number, select the amount, and send it. This is a great way to introduce friends or family to investing. It's important to note that investing comes with risks and the value of stocks can go up or down. Cash App provides basic educational resources to help you understand the stock market, but you should also do your own research before making any investment decisions. That's it. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.